Hello and happy new 2026. This should be a year where we work less and play hard. And bear with me because I have my R36S here. And I wanted to show you just fugitively my new menu which I customized because this is the beauty of ArkOS, that you can customize very easily your device. So I added my own entry here with Affiliator and the playing badger. And if you enter here, I just created one sample executable called gbsmund, which I would like to have it as a sort of a game engine, but it's not complete. I just have one circle which can be moved around. It's not a big deal, but it's something that gave me a head start into the programming world of these devices. But this video, I don't want it to be just about this stuff. I just wanted to let you know that they released a new ArkOS version, and many of you who tried to install my from my videos the ArkOS4 Clone, they had some of you had some problems with it, and I do believe that maybe it's because of the newer versions, or for some of you, I requested to try with the older version because you reported some audio issues, which may happen. Remember that these devices are very, very cheap, and the software is very, very crappy, and it can be quite unstable. But in this video, I would like to have this device updated with the menu, with the option menu, without reflashing, because if you reflash the SD card, then you lose every game that you have in here, and I don't want to lose these games and also the progress that I have within them. So let's see if we can update the OS from the menu to the latest Arc4OS, and if it preserves the games, and if it will improve the stability of our system. So bear with me while we check that out. Now, the peculiar thing with this device is that you might have the impression that if you go with the start into the main menu, you find the update option here, which is not true. You actually need to go into the menu, go to the main menu and find the options. And here somewhere you have the update. Look, you have the update menu option. But before running this update, we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. And I have a video that shows you how to connect to the Wi-Fi. I just insert my Wi-Fi dongle inside the device, and let's see if I'm connected. Let's try with the Wi-Fi toggle. Enable Wi-Fi. It says it's connected. Let's see. Do we have connection? Current network info. Yes, so I do have a Wi-Fi connection. This is really good. Now, we go to the options and we hit update. And practically I'm using this device because yeah, I don't play that much on it. I use my R36 Max, and just in case it goes bad, I don't have anything which needs to be saved. So let's hit the update. But I do recommend, before hitting the update, you need to be sure that you don't have anything which you need, which might be deleted. So I recommend you to do a backup. Okay. We here enter OK. Shift 2. You need to capitalize the OK, otherwise it won't work. Now it should connect to the package management sources and blah blah blah, so it should be able to do something. We need to wait for it. Updates have been completed. Okay, this is quite fast. Okay, we restart the device after the update is complete. Let's see how it goes. Come on, come on. Okie dokie. Do we have our, let me check. Do I have my GB Smooth? Should be working fine. So after the update, just don't forget to check your games. I do have my thingy here. Let's try one game. I only use the ports to install games. Let's see if it goes smoothly. Shit. Control C. Maybe this game has an issue itself. Bell Boomer. Let's try this one. It doesn't work. Castlevania. Let's see. This one I think it worked before. Okay, Simon's Quest event. Okay. Start. Yeah, it seems to be. I think it should be working. I cannot kill this grandpa anyway. How can I exit this game? Now I'll just brutally exit like this. I wanted to check the version. So now that the update has been complete, I just wanted to check the version. ArkOS 2.0107. Yeah. I suppose it's okay, but I do think it didn't do like a proper update like you do with the reflash, simply because this thing only updates the packages, I think. But yeah, I don't know if you can do anything at all. Oh, what did I do? So actually, I think this is the version from July 2025. Yeah, it has a bug. So if you try to use the R1 or left one to scroll, and if you are reaching the end of the beginning, then it's going to crash. So yeah, I don't think it's working like that to do the update. So I'm really also curious, how can you do it without breaking your current games? I have no idea. Let me try to hit update once more. No more updates. I'll also check for this bug if it's present in my other device. Where is my other device? I have it right here with me. Both devices are with me. One one zero seven 2025. I think they have the same version. Oh, this one has also this bug. Yeah, it's crazy. really crazy. But yeah, I don't think you can do much more about it. I'll have to check on their website, on the GitHub page, if they have something related to this. But other than that, you cannot do many updates related to this, I suppose. So you're pretty much constrained. And yeah, always make sure you have backups for all your data, because these devices are very finicky, and you can break and lose your work and your progress within your games. So yeah, I hope you found this very insightful, and I think I will leave it for now. This is the first video of the year. Thank you very much for watching me, and bear with me because I would like to have more videos about these wonderful cheap devices in this year. And I also have other devices with me, like the Color Maximi 2. I have a Raspberry Pi here, and I also have a Pico Calc, which I don't know where it's somewhere around. And I would like to have these devices presented in videos this year. And if you find my content useful, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know if you like it down in the comments below. Thank you so much, and enjoy your day.